Hi viewers, welcome to Rasan's Way. Today I am going to make corn cutlet. For that I have taken half cup of corn, boiled it is, 2 potatoes boiled, coriander leaves chopped, turmeric powder, salt, chilli powder, garam masala, black pepper powder, chaat masala, onion finely chopped, ginger garlic paste and some breadcrumbs. You can also use corn flour for binding. Now we'll crush the sweet corn coarsely and mix everything to make a dough and make the cutlets. I have made the dough. I used 1 tablespoon of corn flour and breadcrumbs of 2 slices of bread. Now grease the palm and make the cutlet out of this. 1 minute. I made the cutlets. Either you can deep fry them or shallow fry them. I'm going to shallow fry this. You can coat it with breadcrumbs and deep fry this. The oil is hot in this pan. One side is cooked nicely. Now we have turned this to cook the other side also. This is done nicely. Now we will plate it. Serve it along with sauce, chutney as you wish. Detailed ingredients I will give it in the description box. Actually you need 1 cup of corn. I had only half cup, so I used that one. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you'll get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.